And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Boy, does it feel quite hot outside. We are certainly not used to these temperatures. It's the warmest day we've had all year, and it's finally the warmest day so far of June, especially. So temperatures have risen into the 80s for the mountains. They've risen into 88 in Salida. Very warm. It's even warmer in Salida than in Colorado Springs right now at 86. 90s are found all along the Arkansas River into the eastern plains. So a massive change in our weather pattern. So the reason why we've had such a big change is because some drier air has moved in with an area of high pressure. You can see that dry air on our water vapor satellite imagery, and you can see it going around this area of high pressure. This high pressure will take over for the next few days, and then we're watching this area of low pressure that eventually will move north. What that will do is bring a cold front swinging through. That cold front will increase our moisture and cool us down a bit by the middle of the week. So we'll see an uptick in rain chances on Thursday, but that's about it. After that, we are likely to dry out. But in the meantime, let's check on that chance of showers moving in for the middle of the week. Wednesday night, cold front arrives. We could get some overnight thunderstorms on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. And then we're going to dry out again by Friday. And once we get through the end of this week, if we get enough rainfall on Thursday, we could very much end up at our precipitation average for the entire year. You can see this massive boost in observed precipitation in Colorado Springs this month. Typically for the entire year, we end up just under 16 inches. We're already at 15.35. So we could very well reach our average yearly total by halfway through 2023. Now, meanwhile, until that cool air moves in midweek, we're going to stay hot. 40s, 50s tonight, rising right back up to above average tomorrow to 86 in the Springs, 91 in Pueblo. Highs tomorrow will be 70s, 80s, 90s, very similar to today, maybe just a couple degrees cooler. Now across Pikes Peak region, mostly talking 70s and 80s for us for tomorrow, upper 80s to low 90s in the Arkansas River region. Now, you'll notice on the Super 7 day that we stay nice and toasty on Wednesday during the day. And we're going to have a lot of daylight on the first day of summer. Our sun will rise at 5:34. It'll set at 8:27. And we will spend 14 hours, 53 minutes, and 26 seconds with the sunshine. That sun certainly doing its work as we stay in the 80s. Then Thursday, that's our cool down. That's when things change a bit. But notice we're going to rise right back up into the 80s by next weekend. So this warmer weather is here to stay. For Pueblo, we've got 90s for the next couple of days. Slightly cooler tomorrow. Right back up to 93 on Wednesday for the first day of summer. Then some overnight showers and thunderstorms and afternoon showers once again Thursday, cool into the 80s. And then the 90s do return for you from Friday into Saturday with that dry air returning. For Canyon City, I've got you to the upper 80s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and then we will drop into the upper 70s Thursday. That'll be our nice break in this hotter weather. Then we return back to sunny and seasonable temperatures for the weekend. And finally, for Woodland Park, I've mostly got 70s for you. One day in the upper 60s on Thursday with that cold front moving in. So enjoy that day if you're not a fan of this heat we're seeing, but it is nice to see a bit of a change after all this wet weather that we have had recently. Diane?